Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will review Base app. Base app is a simple and easy to use mobile app designed for quick payments and money transfers. The interface is clean so even first-time users can figure it out without much hassle. It loads fast and sending money usually works smoothly without delays. You can also use it for paying bills, buying mobile top-ups, and sometimes getting discounts on certain services. Another benefit is that it doesn't require much storage space on your phone. The security features such as PIN or biometric locks add a good layer of safety. However, it doesn't have some downside. Sometimes transactions can take longer than expected to show up, which can be stressful. The app also needs a stable internet connection. If your network is slow, the experience can be frustrating. Customer support response time can vary, so it's not always quick to get help. Some features are only available in certain regions, which limits their usefulness for everyone. There's also no big rewards program, so regular users don't get much extra benefit. Occasionally, the app may lock you out unexpectedly, which can be annoying. Overall, Base app is a handy tool for everyone payments, but it could improve in speed, features, and support. It works best if you have reliable internet and mainly need simple transactions. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.